Having us in your very progressive and beautiful country of the Netherlands.
You didn't have to pull a piece of paper out of your pocket.
I know, I almost did. This song is for our friends in the FOD group.
Woo! This is, I mean, how many of our songs have been sung about?
None, one.
This
well, yeah, this one.
Yeah.
There's a line in there. There's a line in their song that asks the question, "What is the story behind Bird Attack?" This is the story behind Bird Attack. Once upon a time, people got attacked by birds. The end. Bird attack! Come on! Bad boy! Sing